Zebra are single-hoofed animals that are native to Africa. They are very closely related to horses and donkeys. In fact, they are in the same genus. The most prominent features of zebra is the bold patterns on their coats. The 5 amazing facts about zebra. Number 1. There are 3 species of zebra. A. Plain zebra. Plain zebras are 3.6 to 4.8 feet at the shoulder and weigh up to 350 kgs. According to the African Wildlife Foundation, plain zebra are the most common species of zebra found throughout sub-Saharan Africa from southern Ethiopia, Kenya and Tanzania all the way down to Botswana and South Africa. B. Mountain zebra. Mountain zebra are from 3.8 to 4.9 feet tall at the shoulder and weigh 240 to 372 kgs. According to the University of Michigan Museum of Zoology, mountain zebra are found in large numbers in Angola, Namibia and South Africa. C. Gravy's zebra. Gravy's zebra is the largest zebra according to the San Diego Zoo. It weighs 350 to 450 kgs and is around 5 feet tall from shoulder to hoof. Gravy's zebra most rare of the zebra species. Number 2. Zebra are wild animals that cannot be domesticated. Number 3. A group of zebras is called a dazzle. Number 4. Zebras can travel long distances. Number 5. Zebras are black animals with white stripes. Thank you for watching. For more updates, please subscribe our channel.